Hello everyone and welcome back to DMG. When we want to save game data now on a console, we save it to the internal hard drive. But what did we do before consoles had hard drives? Well, I'm about to show you. I have two Game Boy cartridges. One of these has a save battery and the other does not. And the one that does is about twice as heavy because it has way more in it. And if we pop the cartridges open, we can see there's a clear difference between the one that can save data and the one that can't. So this is the one that can. It has the battery because it actually uses a RAM chip, not a permanent writable chip, to save game save data. So if this battery is removed, the save data would be lost. So, let's see. I'm not an expert on what all of these chips do, and just from looking at them, I can't quite discern that. There are more in-depth videos. This is just kind of like a quick, this is how it worked. But, oh hey, these cartridges say DMG up at the top. That's actually a reference to the name of this channel and not to the Game Boy DMG model. Nintendo predicted this channel, which is pretty cool. Obviously, I'm joking there. But one of these chips would hold the game. One of these would be the RAM chip that holds the save data. I might be able to see which one it is. It's really complex. I'm thinking it's this sharp chip right here that saves the game data. Again, I'm not 100% sure. Well, and of course in this one, without a battery, no data needs to be saved. So all it has is like the interface chip and the chip that holds the game data. But that's it for this video. Thank you everyone for watching. If this helped or you enjoyed, consider subscribing. And yeah, see you next time.